Hey you guys, Esikhomesteddah here with another video. All right, you guys, so we are on the left side of the raised bed grow area, and I decided to put some garlic and onions in this raised bed, and also I used the method of the square foot method with my little gadget that I used, I think it was last year, that tells you how to sow to get the maximum amount of yield in your soil. So y'all know it's color coded, and I think I did a video, I'm sure I did a video last year on how to use this. So as you can see, I'll back up so that you guys can see my square foots. And on this end I did 2 rows of garlic right here up until I ran out. So I think I have, let's see, 9, 18, 36, oh shit, 30, oh excuse me y'all, I think that's 42. I have to do the math on that one, but that's about, yeah, about 40, roughly 42 cloves of garlic. And these are actually store-bought garlic, and I've been trying to get to these for a minute, but I am such a garlic user. So what I'm going to do is actually probably create another area to grow garlic. But so I did garlic, and also I sowed horse seeds, and there were sweet Asian onion, duster onion, red maiden onion, and again horse seeds. And I know a lot of people is doing transplants of their onions from probably Dixon. I did not get a chance to order Dixon this year, and also my garden center that I like to shop at, they had some seed starts already, some transplants, but I didn't like the way they were looking. So I said, well, I've never sowed any onion seeds before, not that I can recall, so I'm just going to give it a go, being that we're getting ready to get some rain here soon. So in the areas that I wasn't able to fit this square foot tool template, I just went by eye, and I sowed in like the trenches area, as you can see, so that I can use up this soil, which you can see I amended my soil with worm castings, azomite, blood meal, bone meal, y'all know how I do, and some mushroom compost. So in those areas where there were spaces in between the template, I made little holes with my little gadget right there, my little wand, so that I can get something growing in those areas as well. So I'll step back so you guys can see in that trench area where the space was. You can see all the little holes that I made, and I actually sowed onions in those areas as well. So again, I'm going to probably create another space, or maybe use one of my grow bags to grow some more garlic, because I am obsessed with garlic. I use a lot, and I was hoping to get this whole bed sewed up, but I ran out of garlic cloves, so I decided to put some onions in there. So again, this is the variety that I sowed, and hopefully these seeds will germinate without any problem. All I have to do is just lightly cover up these holes. My garlic is pretty much tucked in. Hopefully nothing don't come in here and try to snatch them out. So when you sow in your garlic, you just sow them with that face down and that point up. Always remember that face down with the point up. Okay, you always want to sow them with the point up. See that point? Always sow them with the point up, and that part face down. That's where it's going to root. So you just do like that, tuck it in, and it should be good to go. All of mine is tucked in nicely. And again, hopefully nothing doesn't come in here and snatch them out. I think they'll be good to go. And also, I'm not sure if this is companion planting, but I would think garlic and onions go together really well. So drop me a line. I'll do some more research on it. You guys let me know. But I think they'll do well. So I'm just going to lightly cover up my holes and wish for that pour down of rain. And hopefully these will germinate well, and they will grow well. All right, you guys, so this is my seed sowing for today. Ooh, today was a beautiful day. It was supposed to have been raining all day, but we wound up with such beautiful sunshine and comfortable weather to be out in the garden. Again, SEK is going to try to beat this heat. So I'm getting everything sewed up. I got a few more things that I need to sew up, and then I'll be good to go. We got watermelon to do, tomatoes and peppers, and maybe I might get some transplants for sweet potatoes and get those going until mine's that are in the house get going, and then I could get them out here, but not in no rush. But yeah, this is what it's looking like, you guys. So making progress every day. So this is SEK the Homesteader. I will see you guys on the next video. Peace.